September is National Suicide Prevention Month, and groups across Vermont are highlighting the programs they offer to support mental health care.
Our Yamuna Turco toured a crisis call center in Newport and has more now on the services they offer.
In the Northeast Kingdom, the Department of Mental Health is partnering with organizations to help improve access to mental health care and support services. The Vermont Department of Mental Health and Northeast Kingdom Human Services, or NKHS, outline a three-prong approach to care: a 988 call line, mobile care, and crisis centers. For many people, access to mental health support starts with a call to the 988 suicide and crisis line.
Thank you for calling 988. This is Alicia. How can I help you?
You can call or text the number and be connected with a support staff member. They ask questions, build safety plans, and connect people with longer-term care that fits individual needs.
We identify some of the other warm lines that are available as well. But if it's getting connected to outpatient services, we can look at their county and area, specifically with a designated agency. We can make recommendations there as well. And then if they have any individual preferences, whether it be faith or they want a gender-specific provider, we can make those recommendations.
Front Porch is a crisis stabilization center in Newport. Their staff work with people of all ages and people experiencing any kind of mental health crisis. And Kelsey Stavseth, executive director of NKHS, says that keeping people where they know is a vital part of care.
You can come here, you can stay here, you stay in your community or close enough that you might be able to commute. And so we really want to prevent people from going inpatient when that's possible and support them in the community. And so I think that's the intentional part of saying the space, the training, the expertise that we bring is different. And so we're hoping that has better and more positive outcomes.
Front Porch is in the process of expanding. This will add a mental health urgent care and add several beds for people who need more time to build a support plan.
So we really want to make it home-like. The environment's a big deal to how people are feeling, and then to have specialized clinicians and peers who are able to engage with folks. So
staff encourage people to call 988 no matter the mental health crisis. They emphasize that they are trained to direct people to the care they need or help build support structures.
I just encourage folks to call. If you're unsure of whether it's for you or not, give it a try.
The Department of Mental Health encourages people to reach out if they have any questions about mental health care or about support services across the state. In Newport, Yamuna Turco, NBC 5 News.